Okay.
Hey guys, how's it going? This is Kellen with Dreamedia Home Theater. We're doing a influencer hangout here at Exponent 2024. We have a couple of floors that we're jumping in between. Ran across. What room are we in?
1441.
1441. We heard some beautiful sounds coming out of these triode tube amplifiers, but really what drew us into this room rather was these Lowther speakers. Now this is a British manufactured speaker, and I've got Martin here, the CEO with Lowther. He's going to give us a little bit more of the backstory of the speaker brand, a little bit about the technology as well, and the model that they have here on display. So
sure. Lowther was originally formed in about 1934, I think. Its principal designer was a guy called Paul Voigt. It's one of the oldest loudspeaker companies in the world. It was a forerunner of the single range drive unit, and well, it was the principal designer of loudspeaker systems in the early days. Certainly Clips came along a little bit later on the same principles. It's a full range drive unit. What we manufacture now is still very much to the same spec that was 60, 70 years ago. There's a little bit of progress in the development of the drive unit, but it's still basically paper, foam, and it's all hand wound. There's very few mechanical processes at all. Lowther Lowther entered the hard times in the 70s with the introduction of cheap competitors, principally on electrical music, and it lost its way, to be perfectly honest, and gradually declined. What we've done, we purchased the business about 5 years ago, and now we've got two main things. One is to restore the quality, the original quality of that, but play very much on the heritage. So we're very much handmade, still in the UK. We purchase as little as we can from outside the UK, and so the principles remain the same. What we've done is we've principally taken old designs but modernised them as far as possible. This is a new cabinet that we've just literally brought out. It was only completed 3 weeks ago.
Nice.
This is the first time it's been shown. This is a corner Acousta, and it's based on a 1960-61 design. What we have slightly deviated from the original is most of our cabinets are single drive units, achieving something like a 97 dB efficiency. But this one is slightly new. It was introduced by one of our engineers, and this is principally to extend the range of the normal one. So we have incorporated a super tweeter, we have incorporated our own bass driver, but we still have no crossovers. That retains the purity of the sound.
yeah, nice. No, it's really smooth, has a good sound to it, and you know, the look of these speakers is timeless as well. You know, I sat back here and was listening to some music, and it was beautifully done. You know, I think Steve with Fidelity Imports, he was kind of telling us too that you guys sell woofers and kits to where you can kind of DIY your own speakers as well. So that's pretty interesting. Do you want to speak on that a little bit?
Yeah, sure. I mean, principally, the majority of the business that Lowther's done over the last few years is the home build market. We sell drive units themselves, and these are to passionate Lowther enthusiasts. And principally, let's be honest, mainly old men, because it's been around so long. We sell the drive units. What we also sell is a kit. We can supply a kit of parts so people can build their own cabinets. Okay. And that's still the largest part of our business. What we're trying to do is re-establish the brand and introduce some high quality finish to our cabinets.
Yeah.
All of these are handmade, they're all handmade. There's videos that show the manufacturing techniques we've got, and to be perfectly honest, they haven't varied much in 60, 70 years.
Yeah, no, it looks like, I was watching some footage as well, and you know, it looks like you guys still try to involve as much of a handmade process as possible. And no, I mean, it looks great and sounds great. So I appreciate you introducing our audience to the brand and speaking on on Lowther loudspeakers. If you guys want to learn more about these products, feel free to reach out to us here at Dreamedia. We'd love the opportunity to speak to you in regards to Lowther or any other of our awesome Fidelity Imports brands. But Martin, I appreciate you talking to us today. I think that's going to wrap it up for today's video. Again, this is Kellen out here at Axpona 2024. Look forward to hearing from you soon. Thanks.